Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today I'm diving into the top 20 Linux commands you absolutely need to master as an engineer. These commands will make your life easier and your workflow more efficient. So, let's get started. First up, we have the ls command. This command lists your files and directories. Simply type ls and hit enter. If you want more details, lsl will do the trick. Moving on to cd. The cd command changes your current directory. Say you need to navigate to the log directory, you type cd/var/log. The pwd command is next. It prints the current working directory, just type pod, and boom. You'll know exactly where you are. The cp command allows you to copy files or directories, for example cpfile.tst/backup/copies-file.txt to the backup directory. Then we have mv. This command moves or renames files. If you want to rename quote old.txt quote to quote new.txt quote comma, you type old.txt new.txt. Easy, right? Be cautious with the rm command. It removes files or directories. If you want to clear the temp directory, rm rf/tmp/* does the job. Always double check before you hit enter. The touch command is super handy. It creates an empty file or updates a file's timestamp. Just type touch new file.txt to create a new file. Next we've got mkdir. This command creates new directories. Need a new project folder? Just type mkdir project. The chmod command changes file permissions. If you need to make a script executable, type chmod plus x script.sh. Similarly, chown changes file ownership. For instance, chown user group file.txt assigns the file to a specific user and group. When you need to display file contents, cat is your friend. Typing cat config.yaml will show you the contents of config.yaml. Next up is grep. This command searches text using patterns. Want to find errors in a log file? Grep error log file.txt will highlight them. The find command searches for files and directories. For example, find name *.log finds all log files. df shows disk space usage. Use def-h to get a human-readable format of your disk usage. To see the size of directories, do is your go-to. Typing /var/log/ shows the size of each item in the log directory. That's command lists running processes. Use ipsox to get detailed info on all your active processes. If you need to stop a process, kill is the command. Kill -91234 forcefully stops the process with PID 1234. For archiving or compressing files, tar is essential. Tar, czvarchive.tar.gz folder / creates a compressed archive of the folder. Curl is excellent for data transfers. Use curl https://example.com to fetch data from a URL. Finally, systemctl is crucial for managing system services. To restart a service like nginx, type sudo systemctl restart nginx. And there you have it. 20 Linux commands that every engineer should know. Master these and you'll be navigating the terminal like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.